Dear friends, we have arrived in Tbilisi, the capital city of Georgia. Georgia is a transcontinental country in Eastern Europe and West Asia. Tbilisi is the capital and largest city of Georgia, lying on the banks of the Kura River. Tbilisi was founded in the 5th century AD by Vakhtang I of Iberia, and since then has served as the capital of various Georgian kingdoms and republics. Because of its location at the crossroads between Europe and Asia, and its proximity to the lucrative Silk Road, throughout history, Tbilisi has been a point of contention among various global powers. A cable car ride to the top of the Solalaki Hill is one of the main attractions in Tbilisi. The journey begins in Reich Park near the Europe Square in Tbilisi. It's a 5-minute ride to the top. The iconic landmarks at the top are the Kartlis Dida statue and the Narikala Fortress. The Narikala Fortress is one of the oldest surviving landmarks in Tbilisi. It is an ancient symbol of Tbilisi's defense. The fortress was established in the 4th century, around the period when the city itself was founded. It was expanded considerably by the Arabs during the 7th and 8th centuries. The Arabs built the Emir's palace within its walls. King David further extended the build of the fortress into the 11th century. Most of the existing fortifications date from the 16th and 17th centuries. In 1827 it was damaged by an earthquake and was not resorted. The fortress consists of 2 walled sections on a steep hill. On the lower court there is the recently restored St. Nicholas Church, newly built in 1996 to 1997. It replaces the original 13th century church that was destroyed in a fire. Narikala offers you some of the best panoramas of the city. In Tbilisi you can see a number of popular monuments and sculptures. The sculpture of a man holding a horn in Tbilisi is modelled on an ancient Colchian statuette and is affectionately known as Tamada Toastmaster at Georgian feasts. On the Baratashvili Bridge you can see some more interesting sculpture. These sculptures are more interesting from a distance: a kissing couple, a girl running towards the suicider, a man staring into the distance, a photographer, and much more. Another interesting monument is the monument dedicated to the heroes of the Soviet film Mimino. The statue of St. Abbo of Tiflis was a Christian martyr and the patron saint of Tbilisi. In 786 he was denounced as a Christian to the Arab officials in Tbilisi and arrested. The sculptural composition of Berikalba depicts the Georgian folk theatre of masks. After the adoption of Christianity, Berikalba's performances were held on Easter, other religious holidays, and at weddings. So, dear friends, this is the end of this video. I will see you on my next video on Beauty of the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.